This video is about installing Bosch Motorsport ABS into my BMW E36 Tarmac rally car. The car was specifically built to compete in events like Targa New Zealand, and we have been constantly developing it since it was first converted from a road car to a rally car back in 2005. The car has a modified BMW S54 motor from the newer E46 M3 with the matching 6-speed gearbox, BMW Motorsport 4.45 ratio LSD, adjustable Koni suspension made specifically for this car, a big Brembo brake upgrade, while the electronics are controlled by a Motec ECU, PDM and dash, and a bespoke steering wheel and complete wiring loom from Racecar and Custom Electrical. But this most recent upgrade is one that I've been really looking forward to, installing Bosch Motorsport ABS into the car. The car was originally fitted from the factory with stock BMW ABS, but that was removed after the first few events after we found it unpredictable as we were asking it to operate completely outside of its programming parameters. This unpredictability ultimately led to the car leaving the road, and with that, the system was removed. So for most of its racing life, this car has been running no ABS at all, like so many other race and rally cars that are competing today. However, technology has moved on, and this new kit from Bosch Motorsport is built to operate within the parameters that a race car operates at. It allows for higher speeds, sticky racing tyres, aggressive brake pads, high G-forces, uneven road surfaces, and much more. After speaking to Jason Swan at Racecar and Custom Electrical and a few of his other customers who have already converted, I'm excited to give this a go and learn to drive the car quicker while being safer at the same time. So let's start by seeing what you get in the box. Firstly, be very careful when opening the box as the wiring loom is immediately underneath and you don't want to damage it. All of the remaining components are in the bottom section, which includes the Bosch Motorsport M5 ABS unit, the ABS mounting plate, the yaw sensor and yaw sensor mounting plate, stickers for the ABS map switch, the ABS map switch itself, the warning light, 4 wheel speed sensors and brake pressure sensors. Here is everything you get in the kit. It is a significant investment, but you are getting everything that you need, and it's world-class technology that will make a big difference. First, we mounted the ABS unit onto the bracket with the bolt provided. We chose to mount the ABS unit inside the car as we have plenty of space available on the tunnel under the dashboard, which is nice and close to the pedal box. Next, we moved to the yaw sensor, which also comes with its own mounting plate. This needs to be mounted in the centre of the car, and we've placed ours on the tunnel beside the handbrake. We also upgraded the pedal box with Tilton 79 series ABS compatible Brakemaster cylinders, and then took the car to Team Ralliart to have new hardware made up to connect all of the components together. This included mounting the Bosch brake sensors just ahead of the ABS unit to isolate them from vibration. Next, the team at Ralliart fabricated new braided flexible brake lines to allow the ABS unit to move as required, and then 3D printed an adapter plate to neatly connect to the new hard brake lines. Ralliart also made a new centre console for improved visibility of the intercom and integrated fire system controller, which also allowed a straight path to run the rear hard brake lines inside the car, which is safer than being exposed underneath as fitted from the factory. For the rear lines, we had to extend well to the rear of the interior to find single skin sheet metal for a bulkhead fitting. The kit is supplied with new Bosch wheel speed sensors, but for ease of installation, we chose to run brand new OEM BMW E36 sensors, which are also made by Bosch. They are longer and just bolt straight in, so no fabrication was required, and Racecar and Custom Electrical made it all work seamlessly. So with the installation complete, it's time to go and test. We are at Hampton Downs Motorsport Park, just south of Auckland, to calibrate everything and learn how to use it. This is a track that I love as it has fast and slow sections, a wide variety of corners, and plenty of gradient up and down throughout the lap, giving at least some flavour of a typical tarmac rally event, so it's a great place for us to test. The track day we attended is run by Mike Eddy and his team from Track Time. Mike is a professional race driver and advanced driving instructor, and I've been getting tuition from him now for over 20 years. The events are very well run, exciting, but with a strong focus on safety, so they tend to attract a great crowd of like-minded enthusiasts. So let's get out there and try it out.
Ready to play.
Jason from Racecar and Custom Electrical starts by running diagnostics and confirms that everything is in order. We discuss different map settings for both wet and dry surfaces, and switch setting 7, which includes software that allows for very bumpy surfaces, something we will be using a lot while rallying.
we were braking probably 20 metres later and still stopping and turning the right place. So it was much better. First few laps, a little bit light on the brakes, and then he just hammered it.
Yeah.
And we held fourth gear, full throttle longer, braked later, still stopped and turned and went. So it has to be faster.
Yeah, it was
easy.
It was way quicker.
Yeah, way
I
quicker.
could feel it pulsing.
Yeah,
and, at no point was it scary or anything like that.
And also,
you knew you were going to stop and it was going to
turn
turn.
two, we were braking under ABS and turning in while under ABS, and then back on it. It was great. Yeah, way faster.
Yeah, way faster.
I think we're the fastest car out there, Tom.
Yeah.
All right, so just finished the day here at Hampton Downs with Mike Eddy and the team at Track Time. So great way to use the car and learn a bit more about it. So very successful testing with the Bosch Motorsport ABS. Completely new thing for me, so I've been driving this Targa car for 18 years now without ABS. With most of the competitors actually having to take it out, so with road going ABS just not up to the rigours of tarmac rally. You can get yourself in all sorts of trouble, but this is a huge step up, and what it's capable of doing, it's operating in completely different parameters, and just the feel of the car is just absolutely incredible. You're absolutely smashing the pedal, and you can feel the pedal pulsing, but the attitude of the car is just spot on, like you're not even braking at all. There's nothing through the steering wheel. It steers, you can still turn in. It's absolutely fantastic. So mind officially blown. Learned so much, still learning how to drive the car and adapting to it. This was day one. Obviously at the circuit, I'm not traditionally a circuit racer, but I can already see, and talking with Mike and getting some instruction from him, we took a couple of seconds off previous best. So fantastic result. Can't wait to get it on tarmac rally stage with Targa later on this year. It's going to be amazing, and that is the main reason that I bought it. Anyone that's done Targa will know, and I've been doing it for many years now. Pretty much, if you're pushing hard at least once a day, you're going to lock a brake. It's that split-second moment where you hope your driver talent's up to it and sort of coming off the pedal and modulating, and you're wasting time, but you're also getting closer and closer to the thing that you don't want to hit. But now with this, you can just smash it, and if you're too late or the corner tightens or whatever, it's going to go round. So you've still got the steering, and it's stopping way faster than I could stop it before. It's just incredible piece of technology. So, and hey, for a car that's had a lot of money spent on it over 18 years now, best insurance policy you could get, I think. I think it'll very quickly pay for itself. You've only got to save one off, and it's done, and you get to finish the event. So great day, really excited, can't wait to get back out on Tarmac Rally. So thanks to the crew, awesome.